Most teenagers have no idea they are living through the biggest opportunity in history. Right now, millions of people are wasting their lives scrolling TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube for entertainment, while a small group of teenagers are quietly building real income streams online from their bedrooms. Some are buying their first cars before graduation. Some are helping their parents pay bills. And some are already making more money than adults working full-time jobs. The craziest part? Most of them are not geniuses. They simply understood something early. The internet rewards people who create value, not age, not degrees, not connections, not popularity. In 2026, one person with a phone can build an audience, start a business, and completely change their future. And in this video, I'm going to show you realistic ways teenagers are making money online right now. Not fake guru scams, not get-rich-overnight nonsense. Real opportunities that can grow into serious income if you stay consistent. And trust me, by the end of this video, you might never look at your phone the same way again. Before we begin, subscribe for more videos about money, business, AI, and financial freedom. Now let's get into it. The first and most powerful method is YouTube. Most people think YouTube is too competitive. That's exactly why they never start. But every single day, new creators go viral from 0 subscribers. Because YouTube only cares about one thing: keeping people watching. It doesn't care how old you are. It doesn't care if you're famous. It only cares if your videos hold attention. Right now, faceless channels are getting millions of views using AI voices, stock footage, simple editing, and storytelling. No expensive camera, no studio, no need to show your face. People are making videos about money, gaming, AI, sports, motivation, business, technology, luxury, and crazy facts. And the best part? One video can continue getting views for months. That's the power of the internet. You stop trading time directly for money. The second method is freelancing. Businesses everywhere are searching for people who can edit videos, make thumbnails, manage TikTok accounts, write captions, create content, or grow social media pages. And most teenagers already spend hours online every single day. Imagine turning those same skills into income. Some people are making money editing short videos directly from their phones. Others run Instagram pages. Some create AI content for businesses. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to work with clients from around the world. But here's something important. Your first goal should not be getting rich. Your first goal should be becoming valuable. Because once you learn a skill the internet pays for, your opportunities completely change. The third method is selling digital products. This is one of the smartest ways to make money online because you create something once and sell it repeatedly. Digital products can include templates, ebooks, EAI prompts, study guides, workout plans, presets, online courses, or social media packs. No inventory, no shipping, no warehouse, just a laptop and an internet connection. That's why digital businesses are exploding right now. The internet made global distribution almost free. The fourth method is becoming a short-form content creator. Attention is one of the most valuable currencies online. People who understand attention are building massive businesses. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are giving ordinary people insane exposure. One viral video can completely change someone's life. And most successful creators started with 0 followers, bad videos, and no money. They simply kept posting. That's what most people never understand. Success online is usually not about perfection, it's about repetition. Your first videos will probably suck. Your first ideas may fail. But every upload teaches you something. Eventually, you begin understanding what people actually want to watch. The fifth method is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services online and earn commissions when people buy through your link. You've already seen this everywhere. People reviewing gadgets, showing Amazon finds, promoting AI tools, recommending apps, talking about business software. That entire system runs on affiliate marketing. And once again, it all comes back to attention. The more attention you control online, the more opportunities you create. Now here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Making money online is not easy. It's simple, but it's not easy. Most people quit way too early. They upload 3 videos, get no views, and stop. Or they try freelancing for 1 week, get rejected, and give up. Meanwhile, the people winning online are usually the people who stayed consistent longer than everyone else. The internet rewards persistence. And right now, most people are too distracted to stay focused. That creates a massive advantage for anyone willing to learn, improve, and keep going. Another huge opportunity right now is AI. Artificial intelligence is changing everything. People are using AI to write scripts, edit videos, generate images, build websites, create music, make thumbnails, automate businesses, and save thousands of hours. Teenagers who learn AI today will have a massive advantage tomorrow. This is exactly what happened when social media first exploded. The early people won big. And the same thing is happening again right now with AI. But most people are still ignoring it. Now, let's talk about mindset. Because mindset changes everything. Most people grow up believing money only comes from jobs. Go to school, get hired, work for decades, retire. But the internet changed the rules forever. Now, one creator can reach millions. One teenager can build a business globally. One video can change someone's future overnight. The old system is changing fast, and the people adapting the fastest are creating the biggest opportunities. That's why online skills matter so much. Communication, marketing, editing, sales, storytelling, creativity, AI. These skills are becoming incredibly valuable. And unlike trends, skills stay with you forever. So if you're watching this thinking, I'm too young, I don't know enough, I don't have money, understand this. Almost every successful person started confused. Nobody starts as an expert. People become successful by learning, failing, improving, and continuing. That's the real secret. Not luck, not motivation, not shortcuts. Consistency. Because the internet rewards people who keep showing up. And if you start building skills today while everyone else keeps scrolling endlessly, your future could look completely different within a few years. The biggest mistake is waiting. Waiting to feel ready. Waiting to feel confident. Waiting for the perfect moment. Because the perfect moment never comes. The people winning online usually start before they feel ready. So pick one skill, pick one platform, pick one idea, and start. Your first video does not need to be perfect. Your first business does not need to be perfect. You just need momentum. Because once momentum starts building, everything changes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content about money, AI, business, and online success. And remember, the internet can distract you, or it can change your life forever. The choice is yours.